Hello everyone and welcome to Credit Finance. In today's video, I bring you an update regarding the SNAP benefit for the month of September. So starting off this video, we are going to be showing you all the pay dates for all 50 states. Regarding the regular SNAP September benefit, then we are going to be moving on those in the state of Connecticut, where Connecticut is offering up to $530 through an energy assistance program to low-income families. And the nice part about this program is that if you wish to apply online, that option is available too. Then moving on to Florida. For Florida, as we all know, unfortunately, Hurricane Idala hit there, so there is a SNAP waiver that is available in 23 counties that they are calling the hot food SNAP waiver, and then this one's available until September 30th. Of course, we are including all the information in this video. And then last but not least, for those in the state of Maryland, specifically for seniors, there is a $1,000 rebates available in your state. So just a friendly reminder, if you wish to apply, you have until October 1st. So make sure you guys stay until the end of this video. Now before we get started, if you are interested in latest news regarding stimulus, child tax credit, SNAP, p-ebt and everything in between, so make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below. So let's start the video. Here we have information for those in the state of Connecticut. Up to $530 in energy assistance program is available for low-income families. So Governor Ned Levin announced that the application period for the 23-24 winter season of Connecticut Engineer Assistance Program, otherwise abbreviated as CAP, will begin on September 1st. So once again, it's going to be begin on September 1st. The program helps Connecticut residents, including both homeowners and renters, with the cost associated with heating their home. So basic benefit towards heating bills range from $180 to $530 depending on income size of household. And of course, the need right as so applications are available online, and you are going to be able to access that via the Connecticut State website. You can also apply by phone, by email, by mail, or in a person at your local community action agency. Now, if you are wondering who is available, so let me provide you with some of those details. Connecticut residents are eligible if they have a social security number with a couple of exemptions and meet one of the following criteria. So currently receiving another kind of aid such as SNAP or otherwise known as a Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, a temporary family assistance, supplemental security income, or as we all know, SSI state supplement for the aged, blind and disabled, or refugee cash assistance as well. Now, if their annual income is at or below the following levels, then that would also qualify you. So for one person, $41,533 or less. If it's a two-person household, $54,338 annually, or three-person household would be $67,124. So as I mentioned previously, the application period for the 2023 through 2024 winter season of the Connecticut Energy Assistance Program has begun on September 1st. So yes, the applications are already available, as you can see here. Is the press release that is dated August 31st announced, where Governor Ned Lemon is actually announcing this assistance program. So if you go ahead and scroll down through this press release, you can see here that there are several ways to apply, as I mentioned previously, online, via phone, in person, or you can even download and complete the CAP application that is available also here on this website. Now for those that wish to apply online, you can visit this following website, which is ct.gov, heating help. And when you go on the state website, make sure obviously it's a .gov website. Before submitting any personal information, you want to be aware of scam and anything of that sort, right? So this is what it look like. Now once you click here, how it works, you are going to go ahead and scroll down here to the left as to how to apply. When you click that, it gives you here the application apply online option. You click here and then it's going to ask for your login information, or if you need an account, you can sign up now and just go ahead and complete all that information. But yeah, If you are interested in applying, once again, that is very pretty much how you can do so online. You can do so via phone or even mail. So now moving on to those in the state of Florida. Following Hurricane Idai in Florida last week, the USDA approved the state request to temporarily allow SNAP households to purchase hot food. So yes, hot food SNAP waivers are available to residents in 23 counties. The Florida Department of Children and Families has been approved to allow the purchase of hot food with the SNAP EBT benefit in the following counties, which is mentioned in your screen now. These counties to assist individuals affected by Hurricane Idai. So this allow is available at participating retailer in the eligible counties until September 30th. Once again, this is like a temporary assistance, right? So recipients could check with retailer before making purchase to ensure your participation. Example of foods that may be purchased include hot food, salads, bar. If you want to order like a prepared sandwich, that can also qualify for that, and then also fountain drink as well. Now moving on to some other news for those that live in the state of Minnesota. If you have been waiting for your check regarding the 2021 tax rebate program, whether it's in the amount of $260 something or the 500 something, right? If it's two people, guys, make sure you are double checking your mail before you throw something away, because this is an example of what the check could right? And one of the things you want to look out of here is that it says state of Minnesota. It's from the company name Summitable Holdings. Apparently there's this whole story as to how the state of Minnesota paired up with Summitable Holdings to send out these checks. But what's throwing a lot of people off is that it says here Montana. So let me give you guys all those details. So once again, for my friend in the state of Minnesota, if you received a check that looked like it's coming from Montana, once again double check it, because it could be your tax rebate check from last year. So for all Minnesota residents, if you get a letter in the mail from Montana this month, don't throw it out. You guys, it could be your Minnesota rebate check. It's been about a month since Minnesotans began receiving one-time tax rebate payments anywhere between $260 or even the $520, which were approved in the last legislative session out of the state's multi-billion-dollar budget surplus. Now the Minnesota Department of Revenue is partnering with a Missoula-based company called Summitable to mail out the rebate payments. Now many pupils will get their checks via direct deposit, but then those who opt for paper checks will receive one from an out-of-state address that may look fishy, but it legitimate. And so despite coming from out of state, the Minnesota Department of Revenue confirmed on Tuesday that these are legitimate checks from a company the state partnered with to help distribute the money. So the department paid its contractor. Once again, it's called Summitable Holdings Incorporated $21.5 billion to process the physical check, administrator, direct deposit, ad for other administrative tasks. So be sure to check your mailbox for envelope with the return address of Summitable Holding in Montana. Now you may be eligible once again for the rebate payments if you filed a Minnesota tax return in 2021 and if you earn less than $75,000. If you are single filer, and $150,000 for married joint filer. And now moving on to those in the state of Maryland, guys, this is your friendly reminder that up to $1,000 is available to seniors and low income families. And guys, you can pretty much apply to October 1st. So October 1st would be the deadline. Now the renters tax credit program provides property tax credit for renter who meet certain requirements. The program provides financial assistance in the form of a direct check payments up to $1,000 per year for tenants to use towards their rent. Now you may qualify if you are over 60-year-old or you are permanently disabled or you are younger than 6-year-old and then during 2022 had at least one dependent under the age of 18 living with you and you did not receive federal or state housing subsidies or reside in public housing. Now if you are interested in applying for the 2023 renter tax credits, Make sure you submit your application before October 1st. Now, in order to apply, you must go here on the website. It's pretty much maryland.gov, and it's a Department of Assessment and Taxation. And guys, always double check you are on the correct website, because before submitting any type of information, now it says your renter tax credit application can now be filled online. If you wish to apply online, you could go ahead and click there, and then once again you click there, it gives you two different options. You can apply for the homeowner's property tax credit, or you can apply for the renter tax credit application form. So let's go ahead and click in the case the renter tax credit, and then once you click on here, you can see pretty much the deadline would be October 1st. It takes anywhere between 30 to 60 minutes to complete, and of course there is no application fee. So once again, always double check you are on correct website, and if you wish to continue, you can go ahead and click down here which says up apply a line, and it's going to go ahead and ask you to create an account, so you can just move forward from there and start your application. So now moving on to the payment dates for the regular SNAP benefit for the month of September. Now guys, remember that the SNAP benefit program typically follows the same payments schedule from month to month, with the exact date varying from state to state. Of course, now some states issue all of their food stamp payments in one day or over the course of 3 days, while others continue to send out payments for the majority of the month. Now other states like Alaska, North Dakota, Rhode Island and Vermont, these states send out all SNAP payments on the first day of the month. All over the state in the District of Columbia will begin issuing payments throughout the month of September. And also remember that the only state issuing extra SNAP benefit in the month of September is the state of New Jersey. Now the state will guarantee a minimum of $95 in SNAP benefits. So in the month of September, all households eligible for SNAP will receive a minimum of 95 monthly benefit. Now if your approved monthly benefit is less than 95, then you will receive a supplemental payment to equal 95. And guys, remember that this was pretty much a decision based or made exactly by New Jersey, right? The states. So on February 8, New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy signed a new law that will ensure 46,000 residents who are mostly senior of people with disabilities continue receiving a minimum of 95 a month through the SNAP program. Now this new state-funded benefit started in March, replacing federal funded that expired in February. Now if your New Jersey household is approved for less than $95 in monthly SNAP benefit, then they are going to be receiving the regular federal benefit plus an additional state supplemental to bring them to this new minimum. And so here we have the pay dates for the regular benefit regarding the SNAP program from the month of September. And guys, remember that you can always pause this video at any time if you need to look a little further into some of these dates. So on this list, we do have Georgia September 5th all the way through the 23rd, and then Indiana September 5th through the 23rd as well. The pay dates of the state of Maryland is September 4th through the 23rd, and then for New Mexico, September 1st all the way through the 20th. For South Carolina, the pay date is anywhere between September 1st all the way through 10th, and then off for Washington, September 1st all the way through 20th. And that's all the update that I have for today. Remember to turn on your notification button to know when I have uploaded a new video. Thanks for watching and see you guys next time.